Imagine if today you could gently fill your inner world with everything beautiful you've ever felt, and everything you still long to feel. A quiet sense of happiness, a soft, steady glow within you. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Again, breathe in and let it go. Now, bring your awareness inward and imagine resting in front of you a clear, beautiful glass jar. It's light, open, and ready to receive, with the grounding energy of being rooted in abundance. You have the ability to fill your life intentionally, gently, and fully. This jar is yours. Now begin by inviting love into your jar. See it as a warm, glowing light. Soft pink, golden, or any color that feels right to you. Let it pour in slowly. This is love in all its forms. The kindness you've offered, the care you've received, the quiet love that exists within you, even in ordinary moments. Let it expand, filling the base of your jar. And gently reflect. What you nurture within yourself becomes the energy you share with the world. Let that love settle, steady and warm. Now invite peace. A calm, cooling presence, like a soft blue sky or still water at dawn. Let it flow into your jar effortlessly. Peace doesn't need to be created. It's something you allow. Feel it soften your thoughts. Ease your breath. Relax your body. Let peace rest gently alongside love, creating space and stillness within. Now welcome hope. See it as a gentle, rising light. like the first glow of sunrise. Hope is quiet but powerful. It reminds you that something beautiful can unfold, even when you can't yet see how. Let it fill your jar, lifting everything inside it. And remember, even the smallest light can guide you forward, one step at a time. Let hope shine softly, steadily. Now invite your dreams. They may appear as vibrant, shimmering colors. Alive with possibility. These are your ideas, your desires, your quiet wishes. There is no rush here. No pressure to achieve or prove. Just allow them to exist freely. Let your dreams flow into the jar, expanding your sense of what's possible. Finally, bring in gratitude. A warm, grounding glow. Golden, steady, peaceful. Gratitude for this moment, for your breath, for all that you are, and all that you are becoming. Let it fill every remaining space, blending beautifully with love, peace, hope, and dreams. Now pause and take in your jar, full, radiant, alive. This is your inner world, rich, vibrant, and always available to you. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Your life becomes what you choose to fill it with. So fill it with light, with love, and with quiet joy. Carry this feeling with you wherever you go.